In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make sweet potato cupcakes with a maple cream cheese frosting. You're going to need cake flour, whole wheat flour, baking soda, baking powder, salt, ground cinnamon, ginger, nutmeg, and cloves, unsalted butter, unsweetened applesauce, packed brown sugar, eggs, buttermilk, mashed sweet potatoes, reduced fat cream cheese, vanilla extract, maple syrup, and confectionery sugar. You're also going to need a cupcake pan, bowls for mixing, and measuring cups. Start by preheating your oven to 350. First, your dry ingredients, you're going to measure out cake flour, whole wheat flour, your spices, baking powder, baking soda, salt, and whisk them together. Then you're going to do your packed light brown sugar, your butter, which should be softened, and your applesauce. Now you're going to cream together that butter, applesauce, and brown sugar until it is pale and fluffy. You're going to add 1 egg at a time, beating well after each addition. You are then going to add flour to the mixture in 3 batches, alternating with buttermilk, mixing until it is well combined. Finally, you are going to add your 1 cup of sweet mashed potatoes and mix that until it's well combined. The way that I made these is that I poked holes in the sweet potatoes with a fork and stuck it in the microwave for about 5 minutes and then finished it off in the oven until they were nice and soft. I then cut it in half, peeled it, and took out the middle. So once you have that all well blended, you are just going to stick it into your cupcake baking pan, which you should have lined with some sort of baking oil. You're going to bake in the preheated oven for about 15 to 17 minutes, or until a toothpick is inserted in the corner and comes out clean. Allow this to cool in the pan for about 10 minutes and then remove and set aside. Now for the frosting, beat together butter and cream cheese until light and fluffy, beat in vanilla and maple syrup, beat in powdered sugar until it's well incorporated for about 1 minute. At this point, your cupcake should be nice and cooled. I put my frosting in a little baggie and cut a corner in the tip so that I could pipe the frosting onto my cupcakes neatly. Finally, I sprinkled mine with some pumpkin pie spice and pecans. And now you have your cupcakes. Enjoy!